Hi everyone. What you're looking at is the Harley-Davidson Road Glide 3 Custom by Southeast Custom Cycles, known simply as the Murder Trike, a machine built to dominate the road with presence, precision, and pure blackout attitude. This trike started life as a beautiful Road Glide 3, taken in on trade. But instead of letting it leave as a stock machine, Southeast Custom Cycles did what they do best: they tore it down, rebuilt it from the ground up, and transformed it into something far more personal. Something far more aggressive. Something unforgettable. Over 60 hours of complete disassembly and reassembly went into this build. Every component was stripped, refined, and reimagined with one clear vision in mind: total blackout, without sacrificing detail. The custom paint is where the mood is set. A Level 2 Southeast Custom Cycles finish blends gloss and satin black, layered with gray and graphite accents that only reveal themselves as light moves across the body. It's subtle, it's sinister, and it rewards a closer look. The full chassis blackout package ties everything together, creating a unified, stealth-like silhouette from front to rear. Up front, the stance is low and purposeful. A performance tank console and chin spoiler sharpen the profile, while the tinted sport windshield cuts wind without breaking the aggressive flow of the fairing. This is a trike that looks fast even standing still. Climb on, and the transformation continues. The seating has been completely upgraded with custom 3-tone leather upholstery, hand-finished in the USA. Black Napa leather, perforated panels, and suede inserts combine comfort with craftsmanship. This isn't just a seat, it's a cockpit, designed for long rides and total control. The handlebars are raised and optimized for comfort, putting you in command without strain. Every control falls naturally into place, enhanced by contrast cut grips and precision hardware that feels solid in your hands. Now fire it up. The engine has been upgraded with Harley-Davidson Stage 1 performance, giving the Road Glide 3 a stronger, freer breathing character. The exhaust note is deep and refined, not loud for attention, but powerful enough to be felt. A smooth rumble that reminds you there's real muscle beneath the blacked-out surface. And when you're cruising down the highway, wind noise fades into the background, because the audio system takes over. A sound's merest 2-speaker setup delivers crisp, clear sound even at speed. No distortion. No struggle. Just your music, clean and powerful, mile after mile. Every detail matters on this build. From carbon fiber accents and precision drivetrain components to extended controls, floorboards, and pedals designed for comfort and confidence, nothing here is accidental. Even the lighting is refined, with smoked LEDs and integrated running lights that maintain the dark aesthetic while improving visibility. This trike doesn't just look custom. It feels custom, in motion, in sound, and in the way it responds to you as a rider. Southeast Custom Cycles has been building machines like this for over 20 years. That experience shows in every line, every fastener, every decision made along the way. Thousands of happy riders are already out there, enjoying bikes built with the same care and pride you see here. So if this Road Glide 3 is speaking to you, don't ignore it. Whether you're ready to ride this exact machine, or you're feeling inspired to create your own one-of-one custom build, the team is ready. This is what they do. And they do it exceptionally well. The Murder Trike isn't for everyone. But if you know, you know. 3 wheels. Total blackout. Pure attitude. Thanks for watching.